Hey everybody, here's how I install cabinet hinges using this Enjoy Wood hinge installation jig. This jig you line up on the side of the cabinet carcass and start by drilling the pilot holes. It's set up so that it has centering pins on the back side so that you don't have to worry about alignment. Here you see I just set it towards the bottom of the cabinet and then drill the pilot holes. I do the same for the top of the cabinet. Now here you see me installing the screws into the hinge plates so that I get everything set up. Everything is aligned perfectly because that's how the jig is designed to work. So you don't have to worry about marking measurements or getting your alignment set up. Now it's time to go ahead and drill the holes for the hinges themselves. First I'm going to set the offset for the hinge. So I go ahead and I mark that out. Then I can go ahead and get the hinge jig placed onto the cabinet door. Jig is designed so that it places the cabinet hinge exactly where it needs to be. So what I again do is drill the pilot holes for the hinge screws. And then you see me here setting my vacuum system up because I'm going to go ahead and drill out the cup itself. The cup is being drilled with the Forstner bit that's included with this jig. The Forstner bit is attached to the aluminum guide and then that locks into the jig itself. Everything is all automatically aligned with using the pins on the back of the jig, so you don't have to do any measurements here. I clean it out before trying to remove it because if I don't, the shavings from the drilling could interfere with trying to remove the Forstner bit. Now that everything's been drilled, it's time to go ahead and install the hinges. That's a straightforward process. I place the hinge into the cup and then I go ahead and use some 5/8" screws to screw the hinge in. With the hinges installed, now it's just a matter of attaching the doors to the cabinet themselves. These just click in. These are Silice hinges that I'm using here in the titanium finish. The back plates are 0mm offset back plates, and these are full overlay hinges themselves. And here you go, perfect fit. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching till the end.